Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 15th. I'm Marv Eisen, and I hope you're going to have a great day and a great day trading. And I want to give you some information on how to make $1,000 a day trading E-minis. That's right, how to make $1,000 a day trading E-minis. So let's look at the charts, okay? This is my E-mini chart from 2 days ago, from the 13th, okay? That was a Wednesday. And I have my trading zone, okay, that I calculate each day and I place on my chart together with the previous day's close. And these are tools that I use to tell me where the market is likely to trade, where prices are likely to reach. So how do you make $1,000 a day? Simple. Well, one contract on the E-mini is worth $50, right? So in order to make $1,000 a day, all you have to do is get 20 points on the E-mini each day and you make $1,000, okay? 20 points times $50 a point is $1,000. And if you do this every day, you make $1,000 a day, right? Please, my friends, this is not a reality for most of you. In order to get 20 points a day off the E-mini, it's very difficult. Let me go a little further. Here's my chart. Here's my chart from yesterday, July 14th. And again, my trading zone seems to be pretty accurate, right? Wouldn't you like to have these numbers to know where the market is going to trade? Look, the market starts up over here, goes right into my trading zone and almost up to my my target of the previous day's close. So how do you make $1,000 a day? Well, there's 10 points between each horizontal line on this chart, 10 points. So that's $500, okay, on one contract. So if you go from here, let's say 3760 to 3780, or 3760 to 3780, 10 points, 20 points, you make $1,000, okay? Easy, right? Okay, so let me bring you back to earth. In order to make 20 points a day consistently in the E-mini, requires more than luck, let's put it like that. You're not going to make $1,000 a day, you're not going to make 20 points a day trading E-minis on any kind of consistent basis. Can you do it a couple of days? Yeah, absolutely, of course. You can also lose, right? So what's the point of making 1,000 and losing 1,000? A much better strategy, if you really want to make $1,000 a day, is to trade multiple contracts, because if you trade one contract, you need to make 20 points, okay? 20 times $50 a point is 1,000. But if you could trade 10 contracts, you only have to make 2 points. 10 contracts, $500 each point, you only have to make 2 points. And where can we find 2 points? On almost any candle here, we see a 2-point range on almost any candle. Remember, there are 10 points between each horizontal line on this chart. Look at this candle over here, this green candle. This green candle is 10 points. This green candle is 10 points. Look at this little tiny candle, even this little tiny candle over here. Let me make this a little bigger. This is a 2-point range, right? All you have to do is 2 points. 10 contracts, 2 points. But for most of you, you're not going to be able to trade 10 contracts because the amount of margin that you're going to need is going to require a very large trading account. So the best you can hope for is to be correct in your trading, to be knowledgeable. Most of you trade one contract, right? One contract, maybe 2 contracts. So you want to know where the market is going to trade, and you want to set a target or a limit, rather, that's reasonable. What is the market willing to give? Now, I'm going to go over to my chart for today, and here's my trading zone for today. Here's my trading zone for today. From resistance at 37.86 to support at 37.11. I'm not going to do this every day because I have a subscription service that will give you these numbers every day. Here's, of course, the close on Thursday. And look, the market, something was announced pre-market here at 8:30. Let's see what happened at 8:30, if we could see something. At 8:30, on this is Market Watch, the economic calendar. 8:30, there were a whole bunch of announcements, retail sales including vehicles. Okay, that was up. The estimate was 0.7 of a point. The report came in at 1% up. So that was a positive. And the Empire State Manufacturing Index, look, it jumped up to 11. The estimate was minus 2%. So these were positive announcements that came out at 8:30. So let's move back over to our chart, and that propelled the market up, let's see, 10, 20, almost 30 points from where it had been here in markets. This is the overnight action coming in, okay, 3, 4, 5 in the morning. And my trading zone, which is a calculation of where the market is most likely to trade for the day, shows prices should trade at a lower level. So, and I don't recommend you jump on if you see this video. The trading zone is a construct. It's a calculation based on 12 different formulas, an average of averages. So this is not a seat of the pants guess, and it's fairly accurate. Of course, the previous day's close is a magnet that usually draws prices to it. But if you want to be a successful trader and you want to make $1,000 a day, that shouldn't be your goal, because it's not realistic. To take 20 points from the S&P every day is simply not realistic. So what is realistic is be in the market a short period of time. Make your money. If you want to scalp, that's great. Scalping is a great strategy. Very often the trading zone is accurate. The prices will begin at one range of the trading zone at one end and go over to the other, right? One end here, go over to the other end of the trading zone. That's a distinct possibility. So in order to make $1,000 a day, all you have to do is make 20 points on the SNPE Mini. And if you've been trading for any length of time, you know that this is not realistic. So stay in the market for as short a period of time as you can with as many contracts as you can. And you will be able to, if not make $1,000 a day, you'll be able to attain a realistic goal that's right for you. Okay, so this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Check me out on my site, timelessdollar.com. If you'd like to get a trial subscription for the Trading Zone, the Daily Trading Zone Report, subscribe at timelessdollar.com. And I wish you a great day, safe trading, use a lot of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.